Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by confirming your HP laptop runs Windows 10 or Windows 11 with Miracast support. Check that both the laptop and the receiving display share the same Wi-Fi network and router. Open Settings and verify the system is updated to the latest build before mirroring. Update the wireless adapter and display drivers using Device Manager to avoid compatibility issues. Restart the laptop after installation to apply changes. To begin mirroring, press Win+K to open the Connect panel and scan for wireless displays. In the menu, click the display name you want to connect to and wait for Windows to negotiate a Miracast session. On the receiving TV or dongle, accept the connection request and follow any on-screen prompts. If you need a specific layout, open Project Settings and select Duplicate, Extend, or Second Screen only to control how your screens behave during the session. If connection fails, update wireless and graphics drivers and reboot both devices to reset network stacks. Disable VPNs, temporarily turn off firewalls, and ensure the receiver supports Miracast to remove common blockers. Move closer to your router or within 5 meters of the receiver to minimize interference and improve bandwidth. Adjust the laptop display resolution and scale in display settings when video looks blurry or laggy. End the session by selecting Disconnect in the Connect panel when you are finished.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.